Good morning everyone. Today we read a daily use English sentence and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We start right now. दौलत से सब कुछ नहीं खरीदा जा सकता. Money cannot buy everything. Money cannot buy everything. ये बेवकूफ़ों की तरह हॉर्न कौन बजा रहा है? Who has been honking like idiots? Who has been honking like idiots? तुम्हें इसके लिए पछताना पड़ेगा. You will have to repent for this. You will have to repent for this. तुम्हें धूम्रपान की लत है. You are addicting to smoking. You are addicting to smoking. मैं पर्स पर फिसल गया था. I slipped on the floor. I slipped on the floor. क्या ये जुगाड़ काम करेगा? Will this makeshift work? Will this makeshift work? पीड़ित की बात किसी ने नहीं सुनी. Nobody listened to the victim. Nobody listened to the victim. क्या तुमने अमित को धमकी दी? Did you threaten अमित? Did you threaten अमित? अब मेरे सिर के ऊपर मत मंडराओ. Now do not hover over my head. Now do not hover over my head. तुम तो मेरी नफरत के लायक भी नहीं हो. You don't even desire my hate. You don't even desire my hate. मैं तुम्हारा शुभ चिंतक हूँ. I am your well wisher. I am your well wisher. वह अब पूरा गंजा हो गया है. Now he has gone completely bald. Now he has gone completely bald. दुल्हन कहाँ है? Where is the bride? Where is the bride? खुद पर विश्वास रखो. Have faith in yourself. Have faith in yourself. तुम लंगड़ा कर क्यों चल रहे हो? Why are you lumping? Why are you lumping? क्या आप मेरे साथ नाचोगे? Will you dance with me? Will you dance with me? मैं तुमसे नफरत करती हूँ. I hate you. I hate you. मैं उस दिन मजबूर था. I was helpless that day. I was helpless that day. मुझे भी एक कंबल दे दो. Give me a blanket as well. Give me a blanket as well. नींबू निचोड़ दो. Singed the lemon. Singed the lemon. ये तो चमत्कार है. It is a miracle. It is a miracle. ये मेरे शान के खिलाफ है. It is against my pride. It is against my pride. मैं मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I am not denying. I am not denying. तुमने उससे माफ़ी क्यों नहीं मांगी? Why don't you apologize to her? Why don't you apologize to her? वो अपनी आदत से मजबूर है. He is completed by his habit. He is completed by his habit. ये आपकी समस्या है, मेरी नहीं. This is your problem, not mine. This is your problem, not mine. तुम्हारी कामयाबी के पीछे क्या राज है? What is the secret behind your success? What is the secret behind your success? तुम कुछ परेशान दिखाई दे रहे हो. You seem a bit disturbed. You seem a bit disturbed. महाराणा प्रताप एक बड़े योद्धा थे. महाराणा प्रताप was a great fighter. महाराणा प्रताप was a great fighter. पानीपत की पहली लड़ाई 1526 में लड़ी गई थी. The first battle of Panipat was fought in 1526. The first battle of Panipat was fought in 1526. कचरे को गली में मत फेंको. Do not throw the garbage in the street. Do not throw the garbage in the street. क्या तुम्हें कुछ याद है? Do you have remember something? Do you have remember something? वह बहुत मजाकिया है. He is too funny. He is too funny. आजकल नौकरी मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है. It is so difficult to find a job nowadays. It is so difficult to find a job nowadays. वह एक साल से बेरोजगार है. He has been jobless for 1 year. He has been jobless for 1 year. तुम्हें अपनों से बड़ों की इज्जत करनी चाहिए. You should respect your elders. You should respect your elders. ये मेरा दुर्भाग्य है कि मैं परीक्षा में पास नहीं हो सका. It is my bad luck that I could not pass the exam. It is my bad luck that I could not pass the exam. तुमने बहुत प्रगति की है. You have progressed a lot. You have progressed a lot. मुझे दूल्हा दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. I can't see the groom. I can't see the groom. वह 1 घंटे से धूप सेक रहा है. He has been busking for 1 hour. He has been busking for 1 hour. हम दोबारा कब मिलेंगे? When shall we meet again? When shall we meet again? वे आदमी मुझे बहुत देर से घूर रहा है. That man has been staring at me. That man has been staring at me. मैं कुछ कबूल करना चाहता हूँ. I want to confess something. I want to confess something. मैं इस देहाती से शादी नहीं करूँगा. I will not marry this rustice. I will not marry this rustice. अमित ने अपनी पूरी सैलरी दान कर दी. अमित हैज़ donated his fully salary. अमित हैज़ donated his fully salary. पहले अपनी पहचान बनाओ, तब मुझसे बात करना. Make your identity first, then talk to me. Make your identity first and then talk to me. इस बात को आगे मत खींचो. Do not stretch this matter further. Not stretch the matter further. पहले लायक बनो, फिर इच्छा करो. First deserve then desire. First deserve then desire. पक्षी आकाश में उड़ रहे हैं. The birds are flying in the sky. The birds are flying in the sky. मुझे दोबारा कॉल मत करना. Do not call me again. Do not call me again. कोई पिछले 1 हफ्ते से मेरा पीछा कर रहा है. Someone has been following me last week. Someone has been following me last week. मेरे दोस्त की एक कार दुर्घटना में मौत हो गई. My friend did in a car accident. My friend did a car accident. क्या अब आप बेहतर महसूस कर रहे हैं? Are you feeling better now? Are you feeling better now? आज तुम्हारे लेट आने का क्या कारण है? What is the reason of your coming late? What is the reason of coming late? हमने एक नया घर खरीदा. We have purchased a new house. We have purchased a new house. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates and our latest videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.